What if we told you within a few years you're gonna be watching and binging Netflix on Mars? Of course, we're not gloating over this because Tesla is about to hit the smartphone sector. So is this smartphone worth the hype? Find out in today's video. Tesla phone Model Pi changes everything. Welcome to Elon Musk Unveils. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and hit the notification button to stay up to date with the latest about Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX. The new Model Pi phone is going to change the way people look at smartphones, as this device could be something fun and interesting hitting the current market. The actual renderings or design concepts of the phone haven't been released officially by Tesla, but at the beginning of 2021, designer Antonio De Rose and his ADR Studio Design lab had published a concept layout of what a Tesla Model Pi phone would look like. In fact, they weren't just concept images. ADR unleashed a full concept video of how the Tesla smartphone, dubbed the Model Pi, could be. And it was basically as fun and partly to show off ADR's continued design skills and all. ADR is already well known for its Apple product designs, which were widely acknowledged across the world. And with the rumors emerging that Tesla is really planning to make a smartphone, and abruptly ADR's concept images are starting to look a whole lot more intriguing now. Many of you might know Starlink is one of the most severe and beloved projects of SpaceX and Elon Musk presently, and is an excellent tie-in with the smartphone. So as I said, imagine a smartphone with zero buffering and high-speed internet no matter where on Earth you stand. And you know what? You could even binge watch while watching Netflix on Mars too. Cool, right? SpaceX's goal was to establish a network of low-orbit satellites to deliver easy and fast internet access no matter where you are in the world. It's also evolving to be more and more helpful as time goes on, except for the pricing, which is quite high compared to a regular network service provider. But you get the speed. Latency with low Earth orbit satellites is much shorter. The company expects to deliver 200 megabytes per second upload-download speeds. Now that's something. Of course, a smartphone with high-speed connectivity anywhere would be a piece of required technology to have, as it omits the need for terrestrial hookups. This doesn't mean that the phone wouldn't support SIM cards and conventional networks. Besides satellite connectivity, Model Pi is also anticipated to still be equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and 5G technology. Starlink obviously still has a long way to run, but incorporating native support through a Tesla phone seems like an obvious move. More consumers, right? Even if the Pi phone does come out, the smartphone won't be the first satellite phone when Thuraya and Iridium are standing around. It would be the early satellite phone compatible with Starlink. So next, what would the new smartphone have in association with Neuralink? Neuralink itself is more of a pipe dream. It's an Elon Musk baby dream, and it even has its own website. But the neurotech company isn't anywhere close to circulating consumer-level brain-machine interface commodities yet. And they'll completely have to be consumer-level for a Tesla phone to support native connections. The most we can hope for Neuralink are some fetching medical applications born of Neuralink explorations in several years, such as supporting assistive technologies. So there isn't much hope there. In addition to a Starlink satellite connectivity, the Tesla Model Pi is also rumored to have skin that changes color depending on the environment, futuristic design. Interesting. That's something fresh. There might also be some exciting features like solar charging facilities that might come with the device, but this is already available for many smartphones with the right fixtures or a case. The basic notion is that you have to leave it out in a sunny location and get your battery partially replenished as a result, and it's obviously eco-friendly. It's a great concept to think about incorporating a native solar charging panel on the Model Pi and a perfect fit for the brand. The company has already made an enormous title for itself with its classy solar panel shingles. But there's just one big problem with turning the back of a smartphone into a solar panel. You might not be able to use a case. And that's one of the primary explanations why many brands don't provide this tech. Otherwise, we would have probably already seen smartphone brands try this by now. Next, let's take security. Nowadays, phones come with fingerprint unlocking. But juice lies in the question: how fast can you unlock? So, an ultrasonic fingerprint unlock is what you expect from the Model Pi. Some sort of biometrics is an obvious pick for the phone. The company could theoretically use some of its advancement in smart cams from its self-driving Tesla cars and create a Face ID system. However, fingerprint unlocking is also a possibility, as we mentioned. The ADR concept also features an ultrasonic sensor placed on the touchscreen itself. Another aspect is the phone's camera. As we've noticed from the concept, ADR had made an exact copy of the lens scheme that was involved in the early iPhone 12 concept design. The phone is foreseen to have a cluster of 4 cameras with the main camera of 108 megapixel resolution. In real life, of course, the iPhone 12 maxed out at 3 lenses for its rear camera system, and there's no telling what a Tesla phone is mainly for. Cameras are always a way for new flagship standards to try and stand out from other models, but we don't know if that's the case. Tesla might have other ideas in their senses. Better not have too much hope in such a camera configuration. Apart from these, the device is assumed to come with a quality 4K screen, powered by a Snapdragon 898 SoC chip, and has up to 2 TB of flash storage. At last, the most striking thing about the phone would be that it would come with a connection with your Tesla. That's a no-brainer fact. Well, if you own one. Native assistance for Tesla vehicles would obviously be encompassed in the Tesla phone. That means one could easily lock and unlock features, remote commands involving using summon mode directly from your phone, and controlling all of your car's specs from battery temperature to lighting. Not only would this be an easy option, but it would also probably be a central trading point for the device too. While assumptions overflowing the internet, there are several unanswered questions like at how much rate the phone would retail for, and does it have a SIM card? What's the monthly charge for using Starlink? Can a person buy one without first buying a Tesla EV? That's a dumb question, but it's been referred to in many places. So let's come to the question everyone has been thinking about. Is Tesla going to make a device that's going to entirely dominate the entire smartphone industry, like going after brands like the iPhone, or simply create a completely new market segment? Assuming the predictions in current market, Tesla might be planning towards a true-to-form satellite phone that works where conventional Wi-Fi or 5G services are absent. And you might be able to mine cryptocurrencies anywhere, including on the planet Mars. That's absolutely mind-blowing. With the current trend, Apple with its products is highly overrated, and this might be where the Pi phone is planning to make a difference. These are our assumptions from the concept designs and predictions. We are still unsure what the company is preparing for the coming year. It's been some time since reports about the Pi phone will be officially launched later this year. It's not evident exactly, but Elon Musk says it will release at the end of 2021. It's only about a few weeks away from the end of 2021. Let's wait and see if Elon Musk will really launch his smartphone. Okay, so that's about it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. And while you're at it, turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Drop a like for the video if you're a huge fan of what Tesla is doing in the automotive industry. That's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll meet again in the next one.